Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Honor X6 louder. So on the start we have to go into Play Store, then look for the volume app. Choose one of the boosters. I'm always using the GOODEV app. So we have to open it, then decide that you want to click yes agree or no thank you 3 times, and close the window. Now tap on the OK, and the tool is active. If you want to boost your booster power, volume power, just use that slider for it, slide it to the right, the 16 is max, so just adjust it in your routines, and tap on the screen if you're ready, and the tool is still active in the background app. So if you want to turn it off, just open the app again from the home screen or background apps and choose stop service. Click OK, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.